it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Hey guys, so welcome to Vlogmas Day 14. So today's video is going to be different. The past couple of days I have been doing like vlog style videos, but today I decided that I'm going to be attempting to do a holiday makeup look. Like when I was like younger, I was doing holiday makeup tutorials and they weren't really like that good. So instead of me trying to teach you how to do it, I'm actually going to be looking at 2 pictures from Pinterest and trying to do the makeup looks on myself. And if they do turn out pretty good, I will be kind of explaining what I'm doing so that you can like follow along if you want to. But like disclaimer, I am not a makeup artist, obviously. Look at me. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed and comment down below any videos that you want to see so that I can do Vlogmas for you. We are actually more than halfway through Vlogmas. Let's hope we can keep this going, and yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So right now on the screen I'm showing you like the 2 looks that I want to do, but I'm not really sure which one I prefer. I do like the one with like the red underneath the eyes, but then I also feel like it's not festive enough, and which is why I chose the other one. So I feel like I'm gonna figure out a way to kind of combine the 2, but we're just gonna see. Because I want to be like professional-esque, I actually like stole foundation from my mother, but my mother and I are not the same foundation shade, so we're gonna see how that works. But anyways, I'm gonna start with the eyes first because that's what the beauty gurus do. So no way, I literally filmed almost the whole video and it wasn't recording. And the best YouTuber of the year award goes to me. I don't know how I sat down for an hour and I was trying to follow a makeup tutorial. I forgot, like I wasn't even filming. It's because someone called me on my phone and then it just stopped recording. Okay, I have 1 eyebrow out of 2 done. I'm not using a foundation that is my skin color, and I'm not, like, look at that, that's disgusting. And the highlighter job is terrible. Like, I was just trying to prove a point that I'm not good at makeup. The only thing that turned out decently well was the eyeliner. Sorry if I clickbaited you into a holiday makeup tutorial, but now we're just going to be, it's gonna be a how to remove your makeup tutorial. Whoa, look at that. I just got soap in my eye. If you guys didn't know, Vaseline is a really good makeup remover. So I have some like leftover makeup on my eyes. So I just use Vaseline to remove it. Yay! That's what came off my eyes. So I'm gonna finish off the rest of my face, like my skincare routine video. So if you want to see that, if you haven't seen it, you can click the eye. But if I forget to put it, it should be one of my vlogmases. And I'm back. So that is all for this video, I guess, because it was kind of a fail. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 15. Bye.